We had a terrific comedian tonight. Peter Fogel was here, and I think what was really got the crowd going was his ability to play off the people looking at the eccentricities in the crowd, some of the peculiarities, if you will, and it showed that he was able to spontaneously get laughs. It wasn't just a staid routine. This guy could work the crowd and be genuinely spontaneous. He was fabulous. We loved it. Great job.
I'm Trey Hatcher with the Burma Association, which is a reinsurance industry group, and we had Peter Fogel tonight, and he was awesome. Original material, very authentic, meshed well with the crowd, and we're going to have him back next year.
Hey, my name's Kyle. I'm from Suburban Asphalt. I just came from the Rose Paving Alliance Conference for asphalt. Peter did a great job. Hilarious. He knew the industry, he knew the guys, he made us laugh. He was an awesome MC for the event. Highly recommend him. Thank you, Peter.